guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. For today's recipe, gagawa tayo ng simple roast chicken or turbo chicken and mac and cheese. So yes guys, today I am sharing two easy recipes na pwede nyong gawin for lunch or for dinner. And this is kid-friendly and napakasarap nito, napakasimple. So we are doing mac and cheese from scratch kasi it's nice to have a break from dun sa box na mac and cheese. And teternohan natin siya ng roasted or turbo broiled chicken. So this recipe will have two parts. We have the mac and cheese and we have the roasted chicken. But first, let's do the roasted chicken. So let's start with our roasted chicken. So the ingredients that we need are, so we have our whole chicken. We have melted butter. I have garlic, minced garlic, onion powder. We have ground black pepper, and of course, our salt. So let's get started. So yes guys, for this chicken, we are gonna be using a turbo broiler, okay? So we have our melted butter here. Ilalagay natin yung ating garlic. Just like that. And then ihahalo lang natin siya. And then kukunin na natin yung ating whole chicken. So guys, here is our whole chicken. Ipapahid na natin yung ating butter garlic mixture all over the chicken para siguradong malasang malasa siya. And I used real butter. Okay? So ayan. And of course, with your clean hands, I really wanna use my hand kasi gusto kong maramdaman yung textures. Ayan. Okay, imasahe lang natin sa chicken. And then, of course, yung mga singit-singit. Just like that. Ayan, ilalagay natin yung butter and yung garlic. So, imasahe lang natin siya even on the insides for full flavor. Sa wings, hindi ko na tinatanggal yung tali niya. So, ayan. Masahe lang natin. So, yan guys. Once we're done with our garlic butter mixture, maglalagay na tayo ng salt. And huwag kayong matakot na lagyan ng maraming salt yung inyong chicken. Kasi yan yung magpapa-crispy ng skin. Ayan. Okay. And then, ilalagay na natin yung ating onion powder. Sprinkle lang natin siya all over our chicken. Even on the inside. Okay, last but not the least, of course, our black pepper. Yan. Then, baliktarin lang natin siya. And we are set. Tatabi lang natin siya for about 10 minutes para manuot yung flavor sa ating chicken. And then, lalagay na natin siya sa ating turbo broiler. So guys, after 10 minutes, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating chicken. Ayan. And then, we will cook this for 50 to 60 minutes. Actually, depende yung pagluto ng chicken nyo, yung tagal ng pagluto ng chicken, kung gaano kalaki yung chicken na gagamitin ninyo. Okay guys, while we're waiting for our chicken, let's do the second part of our recipe, which is our mac and cheese. And the ingredients that we need are, so we have the macaroni noodles here, na pre-cook ko na siya. And we have sour cream, all-purpose flour, we have butter, milk, whole milk, gagamit tayo ng cheddar cheese, and of course for our seasoning, we're gonna use garlic powder, pepper, and salt. So, let's get started. So guys, on a semi-heated pan, we're gonna put our butter, and then we're gonna let it melt. Make sure na hindi sobrang init yung apoy natin para hindi masunog yung ating butter. Just gonna let it melt. And then we will put in our flour, salt, and garlic powder. Minix ko na nga pala siya dito. So ilalagay na natin siya. Okay, ihalo lang natin. Pag medyo nag-brown na yung ating mixture, let's put in our milk. So yan guys, medyo nag-brown na yung ating mixture. Let's add our milk. And then, ihalo lang natin. And then, we're gonna let it boil. So, yan guys, medyo nagtitiken na yung ating sauce. Let's add our sour cream. And then, iwi-whisk lang natin siya hanggang mag-thicken yung sauce. So, once na nag-thicken na yung ating sauce, ilalagay na natin yung ating cheese. Once na nilagay na natin yung ating cheese, ilalagay natin siya sa medium-low. So, ayan. Ayan ng konti. Ayan. We'll just wait for the cheese to melt. So, yan guys. Once our cheese melts, ilalagay na natin yung ating macaroni. Ayan. Ihalo lang natin para well incorporated siya. And then we'll put it on a baking dish, like parang Pyrex, and then we will put it in the oven. So yan guys, ready na yung ating mac and cheese. Ayan. So after 2 minutes of broil, ayan na yung itsura niya. Guys, ready na ang ating turbo chicken. Yummy! Tingnan nyo naman, brown na brown. Guys, ready na ang ating roast chicken and our macaroni and cheese. Ayan. It's tikman time! So guys, tikman na natin yung una muna yung ating mac and cheese. Wow! So cheesy! Bango. Ready na ba kayo? So cheesy. Perfect na perfect ang pagkaluto ng ating macaroni. Sarap guys. Tikman naman natin yung chicken. So since this is for our family, titikim lang ako ng konti dito sa side, okay? My gosh, guys, ang crispy nung balat niya. Yan. Kuha lang ako dito. Mainit pa. Oh my goodness. Guys, sobrang simple ng chicken na to, pero super moist. Yung balat niya, yung skin niya, ang crunchy. Sarap. Isa pa. Yan. Look at that. It's so moist. Yan. So flavorful. Sana man-try niyo din siya at home very soon. And that's it for our video today, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating easy baked mac and easy turbo broiled chicken. And sana matry niyo din siya at home very soon. And sana nabigyan ko kayo ng easy idea for your lunch and dinner. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and baking videos. See you guys again. Bye!